Hello, I'm Amy, an undergraduate majoring in marine biology and minoring in scientific diving at Humboldt State University in Northern California. Yes, we are known to have really big trees. Anywho, as a JISAO intern, I had the privilege to study size-selective mortality of juvenile Chinook salmon, whose populations have been in decline over the past 30 years and are currently listed under the Endangered Species Act. This summer, I had the opportunity to go fishing on a purseiner. The brave scientists on board soon filled me in that jellyfish are our worst enemy during field sampling. We conducted some daytime sampling, as well as some nighttime sampling, and proceeded to test our fish identification skills once they were on board. We sorted them by its respective species: pink, chum, coho, and Chinook. I soon realized that Chinook do not like to stay still for long and are very slippery, which made taking their fork lengths very interesting. The infamous diet sampling involves gastric lavage, a fancy word for making the salmonid throw up. Fin clips were collected to conduct further genomic analysis with a collaborating lab. The diet samples that were not processed on board were completed in the lab, as well as fish scale collection. I learned some very intricate techniques to handle scales.
Did you hold it?
Oh, okay.
Like a taco?
Oh, sorry. That was just there again.
That's how you hold your taco?
Despite there being much debate about how to properly hold a taco, we proceeded to mount, press, and image these scales. Chinook scales record growth history by laying down incremental circuli. Similar to tree rings, we can age a fish and know a little bit about their life history, such as their saltwater entry and exit. Scale analysis was in itself an art form. This analysis allows us to make inferences about Chinook growth and mortality at critical growth periods. Assessing the factors that affect growth and survival of Chinook salmon will help us aid restoration efforts. In short, I was on a boat, sliced and diced, and finally analyzed. My deepest gratitude to the students and staff in Debut Champs Lab at the School of Aquatic and Fishery Science, and to JISAO for allowing me to conduct this research. For the record, this is how I hold a taco.